person insurance is huge for small business stability. So, what would trigger someone to what kind of trigger or thought process really helps someone realize? I mean, you mentioned the key person insurance and that it could be the demise of the whole business
Yeah.
if something were to happen. And we just found out this week that one of our dear friends passed away in his sleep the other day. So it can happen
Yeah.
at any time. So key person insurance is huge for small business stability. How do you explain it's important to entrepreneurs who think of it like, hey, I'm just too small. We're little.
Typically, if it's a partnership, to talk about the pros and cons of each partner. I mean, 9 times out of 10, one is great at one thing, one's great at another. So that's where having that key person conversation is really important. If they're a startup or a small entrepreneur and they're maybe a one-person company, the benefit to their family. That's where if they're the sole breadwinner and or maybe not, but it's a dual income household and both incomes are supporting, which often we're seeing more and more of that. And so in that case, the business is the money and the revenue generator
That's
for the
right.
family.
For the whole family.
And without the business, what's going to happen? What's the plan there? So
Right.
that's where that conversation to really think about it early on. And I've noticed too, a lot of people are leaving bigger companies to start their own, which is amazing, but they had benefits with the company. They didn't have to think about it. And now they've got to get it on their own, which
Hmm.
is not hard to navigate, but it's important to make sure they have something in
And
place.